Peace. How's everybody doing? Angels telling me to speak. Saying speak right now. I want to first of all give thanks to my followers, to my supporters, to everybody who came out to the show, and for everybody who enjoyed the content, who enjoyed the show. 4 EPs up, man. We came a long way. Came a long way. I know it don't look like it. Not at all. Not at all. See, 2020, 2019, I was just getting out of prison. TDC, you know? Straight after that, I was trying to find my footing, but I made a promise to the Most High saying that I was going to forever be peaceful. I was going to forever walk that path with him. And, you know, you meet people, you meet old people, old friends and things of that nature. And you learn, you know, you walk in trying to understand and gain your footing. You might slip sometimes, and let me tell you, we slipped hard. We did. Terrible, man. I was actually in the St. Joseph's mental hospital. I'm speaking to the people that have an affliction with mental health and concrete activities, and not even just doing anything bad. It's just sometimes you might not have a place to go at the moment, or you're wandering, trying to find your purpose, or you're asking yourself what's next. You don't have a clear path, and all seems lost. It's just darkness overwhelming you. See, I've been there. I've been there. So that's why I'm speaking to you today, to let you know that you are not alone. I'm coming here speaking to you, letting you know there is a way. Just come back. Come back to yourself. Come back to the love you have for yourself instead of trying to look for outside circumstances or external validation. It's your internal that needs to work. It's the love for yourself that needs to work. The courage will come. The direction will come. But if you don't step into your Godship, how will you be led? If you don't step into your Godship, how will you know what peace is? How will you know who you are? Deep within the mind, deep within the breath, it's all connected, and it's blocked. They've been blocking us, but they can't block us no longer. It's just the understanding of who you are and what you want out of life. What is your natural gifts? What is it that you wake up every day and you can't do without it? And I'm not talking about substances. I'm not talking about going lower in a state. I'm talking about elevation. Whether it's walking, breathing, talking, helping someone else. Most times when we need answers to our own questions, the answer is right in front of you. You just got to talk to people. You just have to understand that it's not just about you. It's never been about you. It's never been about me. I'm just here. But I love you. Peace. That's a daily dosage of the day. And like I say, if you having a good day, can't nothing get in the way. One up, man. We 4 EPs in. Y'all check the link in my bio. Enjoy it, please. I worked hard. Thank you.